बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs कवर करेंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सकें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली फॉर्मेट्स each heading in a table of contents as bookmarks, cross references, hyperlinks, word fields. The correct option is C. Next question है, which key deletes the character to the right of the cursor in MS Word? And backspace, home, delete. The correct option is D. Which of the following is a page orientation in Microsoft Word? Landscape, portrait, gutter, only A and B. The correct option is D. A letterhead should contain all of the following except full street header, logo, complete legal name of the company, group or individual, none of the above. The correct option is D. Ctrl+O shortcut key is used in MS Word to save document, print document, close document, open document. The correct option is D. You cannot close MS Word application by choosing file menu, then exit submenu, press Alt plus F4, click X button on the title bar. From file menu choose close submenu. The correct option is D. When a custom tab stop is set, Word clears all the default tab stops to the right of the custom tab stop, clears all default tab stops to the left of the custom tab stop, does not clear any default tab stops. So the correct option is C. Ctrl+E shortcut key is used in MS Word to exit application, select all, clear all, align center. So the correct option is D. When three hyphens, underscores, equal signs, asterisks or number signs are typed and then enter key is pressed, the auto format feature places a border above a paragraph, creates a numbered list, changes the characters to an EM dash, creates a bulleted list. So the correct option is A. Ctrl+A shortcut key is used in MS Word to align right, select all, change font, save document. So the correct option is B. Uppercase on change case dialog box and all caps on font dialog box both convert selected text into capital letters. What's the difference between the two? Both are same. It is faster to convert from change case than from font dialog box. Change case makes conversion permanent, but all caps on font can always be reverted. All caps on font dialog box makes the change permanent, where change case can always reverted. So the correct option is C. MS Word includes a series of predefined graphics called dash that can be inserted into a Word document. Clip art, hyperlinks, captions, bookmarks. So the correct option is A. In Microsoft Word, how can you increase the font size of the selected text by 1 point every time? By pressing Ctrl+ closing square bracket, by pressing Ctrl+ opening square bracket, by pressing Ctrl+ closing curly braces, by pressing Ctrl+ opening curly braces. So the correct option is A. You need to jump to the next column, breaking current column right at the cursor position. How can you break the column? Pressing Ctrl plus Enter, pressing Alt plus Shift plus Enter. Break command from insert menu, both B and C. So the correct option is C. A feature of MS Word that saves the document automatically after a certain interval is available on Save tab on option dialog box, save as dialog box, both of the above, none of the above. So the correct option is A. Ctrl plus B shortcut key is used in MS Word to search the selected text, paste the selected text, bold the selected text, open the specified file. So the correct option is C. What is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? F12, Shift plus F12, Alt plus F12, Ctrl plus F12. So the correct option is D. The minimum number of rows and columns in a MS Word document is 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 2. So the correct option is A. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is known as outline, raised, superscript, subscript, superscript. So the correct option is D. Which of the following is graphic solution for word processors? Clip art, word art, drop cap, all of the above. So the correct option is A. What is the default left margin in MS Word 2003 document? 1, 1.25, 1.5, 2. So the correct option is B. आज की इस वीडियो में हमने आपको वो MCQs बता दिए जो हर एग्ज़ाम में आते रहते हैं, और जाते जाते हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि नई नई वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।